All right, we are back again. Improvisation Center. We're back again with our electric wheeled bush hog, wheeled trimmer, weed cutter, whatever the heck we want to call this thing. I never really decided on an official name for this thing yet. But if you remember from the last video, this was an old electric lawnmower, 36 volt battery lawnmower that nobody wanted and we had no use for. So we decided to turn it into a wheeled trimmer of sorts by chopping off the front third of it to expose the blade so we could use it for chopping brush, such as all that mess over there. And at first we were going to power it off of a twin pack of hyper tough 20 volt batteries using some aftermarket battery clips, but for whatever reason or another they didn't work. Well, I went ahead and bought a lithium battery pack that's 36 volts, 4 amp hours, and tried that, and it too didn't turn the machine on. So I tore the thing apart, as you'll see in the pictures a little bit later. I ended up removing all the electronics from this thing and just hardwiring the motor directly to the power switch on the handle, so when it turns on it gets full battery power, not running through any motor controllers or anything. Now granted, that'll probably make the battery last a little bit less because it's getting full power all the time instead of regulated power, but this is improvisation again, so we're making do with what we can, how we can. So the thing works though, and we'll be able to go ahead and demonstrate this thing, see how well it actually chops into stuff. We'll take a walk over here by a nice little spot, go ahead and cycle this thing on. As we can see, it chops. Now, obviously, we're not going to be able to reach the stuff way up high. This is for chopping off stuff at the knees. We'll use the hedge trimmer for getting high stuff. See how long this thing lasts. We'll probably have to sharpen this blade just the same. It's not the strongest thing, but it does chop. Obviously, because all this crap is high, we're not going to be able to get everything, but we can get a good little start to it. obviously want to wash the blackberries. I want to hit them little bastards. Might not look it, but there's a lot of stuff getting chopped right off at the base. As we can clearly see, our little bush hog thing, for all intents, works. Might not be as good as the high-priced gas models that you normally are used to, but it does the job. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the camera down, and get back to work on this mess here with this tool and our hedge trimmer, and see how much we can get done before we run out of battery juice. So until next time, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, notifications, all that good stuff. Get to see more of my crap and hear more of me again. So I will catch you later.